So hello everyone, my name is Mark Anthony Para and I'm Auto Diamond Master of Ch.Atomy, Canada. And today, I would like to say something because according to my mom, I am the most handsome man alive. Do you agree? Oh, I heard two people. Oh, the other one is my dad. Okay, I'm pretty sure your parents tell you the same thing because our parents want us to feel, that we're beautiful and we're handsome. Everyone is beautiful and handsome as well. And we are all different, but we are all unique. So today, I would like to introduce two products. I call them Power Duo because this product will do amazing things to your skin. And I would like to, take a moment to tell you that healthy skin is part, actually, of a healthy lifestyle. And if you notice, please look at your skin right now, okay? Because I really want to feel my skin. Your skin is the largest organ, actually, of your body, and it covers the entire surface of your, entire being. So I just want you to give a little bit more, information about this product because this product is actually interesting. And looking back, actually, in the past, men, there is a stigma on men using beauty products, but we are already in 21st century that men can be beautiful too. And most guys, they think that skincare is not necessary until they get a problem. Redness, acne, wrinkles. But we can prevent this if we have a skincare routine. So today, I am so pleased actually. And please take my word, these products really work. I have been using this product ever since it came out. And it's springtime. Summertime is coming, so I really love using this product, especially this time, because there are countless factors that can affect your skin. In summertime, we use air conditioning, the temperature is rising, humidity, excessive sweat, especially for men. We are very outdoorsy, right? We do a lot of active stuff. And looking at this product, I just really like it. Even the packaging is very slick. And if you haven't had it, okay, or if you have it, I want to give you a little bit more information about this product, the Hydra Capsule Essence, okay? Hydra, from the Greek root word, it's water. So this product, my screen drinks it. It literally drinks it, okay? And it is very interesting, actually, that some people may not pay attention because, we just live on this world doing a lot of stuff. We don't really notice there's a lot of pollutants that can irritate your skin. But this product will do amazing things. And this is our Hydra Brightening Capsule Essence. This Hydra Brightening Capsule Essence, it does miracle on your skin. And this product, it has two main ingredients, a birch tree sap and a sea buckthorn, or they referred as sea berries. So I wanna, look at the tiny microcapsules. Every time I touch this, actually, it feels like I'm looking at the sky because it feels like there is lots of diamond in the sky, right? But the tiny microcapsules, it has three components. But the main component is vitamin E, which is a very good antioxidant and also moisturize your skin. They also added cellulose and mannitol. It acts as a moisture barrier and also it stabilizes full delivery. So this is our Hydra Brightening Cream. I want to open it, okay? That way you can see what's inside of it. So this is how it looked like. Oh, they put my favorite color. It's pink. And you know that pink is actually a natural color of vitamin B12, which is a powerful oxidant as well, and it gives you radiance on your skin. I really like the smell of this product and the texture because it's very gentle and it really suits my skin. It also gives me that freshness and coolness that I need for the whole day. And going back in horror, as a man, most men who are watching right now, because ladies won't understand, right? I actually shave every day, and there are countless factors that you can get from a razor. So most of the time I get like redness, nicks and cuts, razor bumps, razor rash, and it does it really good, right? And the next day you will get that ingrown hair that can create a bumps on your skin. So most men are afraid to shave. And I want to tell you one thing. Ever since I'm using this product, it actually helps my skin. Because this product, it balances the oil and water. So once you're using that razor and you put that pressure, it actually, you're losing that oil and water. But this one will fill in perfectly and nicely on your skin. So for men who shave, this is the secret, the reason why I have a poreless skin. And I also do a lot of research about this product because it's very interesting. And we have a universal library which I call Google, and you can do YouTube as well. I was fascinated on how they collect the birch sap on a tree. It is actually a liquid, and it tastes sweet. It's clear as water. They usually harvest it in between March to May because of the long winter period. They said when you drink this water, it regains your energy. And they've been using this for over 100 years because it has a lot of vitamins and minerals. So most of the trees, they say that native birch tree usually found in the northern part of North America, some temperate parts, regions in Australia, also in Sweden, which is very, very beautiful place that I consider. And also this product, it has a sea buckthorn, or they refer to as sea berry, which is abundant of vitamins, okay? It has vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9. So it's amazing. How would it feel that your skin actually having all of these nutrients? So it means it can radiance, right? It will create a glow that you would love. A lot of people, when I go to the park, and most people actually, if I go to the center, they keep asking what I am using. There's no secret anymore because Ch.Atomy will give you all the essential key factor to keep you healthy and have that beautiful skin. And pretty much that's it. So I would like to thank you for those who listens today. And please take my word, this product is the best. So if you haven't tried it yet, please get yours. And thank you, and I hope to see you again.